Today I'll be documenting on how industrial tires are manufactured in industry. Hello guys, you can see the black flat sheet of rubber compound. You can see the date and the compound numbering. Actually these sheeted materials come from mixing section. There is our intermixer, and from that intermixer we get this kind of flat sheeted material. Actually the sheet has been made by two roll mixer, and we have separated this compound for our different type of bases. Basically this flat sheet material are called master base. So as we know, first of all, we know that the tire has three parts. First one is straight part, second one is inner liner, and third one is the bead section. So I will show you the whole process of making tire section wise. So first of all, I will initiate the process of making inner liner. So inner liner is basically made by calendar machine. So first of all, what they do, you can see the flat sheeted material. They will put in two roll mixer for making the final base. For this purpose, at the manufacturing of final base, they use this type of chemical. There is a mixture of different chemicals like sulfur, CBS, and by two roll miller. They mix the compound with this chemical for almost 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they collect this final base compound like sheet wise. You can see the whole sheet. This material you can see is called final base. So what I have seen, first of all, we have seen the master base. Master base 2, we have made the final base. So for different section, different part has different compound final base. So here you can the numbering system. By this numbering system, we can eliminate the which compound is for tire, tube, inner liner, or the other part of thing. So you can see the machine. This is called calendar machine. From this here we get the calendar part, which is also called the inner liner. So basically you can see the nylon cord. Nylon cord has been passed through this big machine. You can see the machine here. You can see the machine. This drum of road is very hot. Here they have to maintain the gauges of this sheet, because different tire have different gauges ratio for maintaining the strength of tire. Like you can see the sheet. Maybe I think this sheet have made for big shock tire or any other motorcycle tire, etc. that can be. So from this machine they get this inner liner. So after getting this inner liner, they will cut it by vertical bias cutter. I will show you the process. So as there is a very different section. In ground floor in RHL they made straight part also. So for this purpose, I'm going to the straight making section. So here this two roll mixer. Here is also master base for making straight. Different master base for different parts of tire. So what will they do? They will again make final base from here. After making final base, they keep it for aging almost 10 hours. There you can see the tire. sorry, you can see the rubber compound. So what they do, you can see the extruder machine. They are passing this sheet of rubber compound through this extruder machine. This is single die extruder. So these are the part of each section. It's going. Very long chamber of extruder. This one is double die extruder. This extruder is only used for the bicycle tire bicycle tire. When we need to make a color tire, then we use this extruder, double die extruder. So at that part, what is happening? They are cutting this straight section by predetermined length. For different tire, they have the different measurement of straight length. You can see this is fully automatic system. The water has been sprayed over there and cutting the straight. This is very intensive process of making straight. They are keeping this straight on this straight, and that will be carried to the TBM section for making the green tire. So first of all, we have seen that what we have seen that first of all getting the inner liner from the calendar section, and we are getting the straight from the straight section by the thread is making from single die extruder. So they will carry it to the second floor. So let's see what happens there.